Just going to do a little video here today on the Princess Auto Power Fist RV scissor jacks. They're 5,000 pound 24-inch scissor jacks. I got these at the end of May 2024 during a mega smasher sale at Princess Auto in Canada. A pair of them were $49.99, so you got to wonder, what are they like? So going to do a open box here, and I'm going to put them on my RV and show you what I think of them. All right, get the box opened up here. You got a jack handle, instructions, and here's the first one. Oh, I gotta put the phone down. Okay, got it out of the bag there. And they're just a typical scissor jack. Kind of the thing I was concerned about is what is the quality of the metal and how thick is the metal, and what's the rest of them like. So this is a look at the jack out of the box, and I'll give you a better close-up of it compared to the one I'm taking off the trailer, and you'll get an idea then of what you're getting for more or less 25 bucks a piece. There is a bearing here, and the typical, they're just a screw jack, so there's no rocket science involved. But show you the comparison later. Okay, so I just took a couple of the existing jacks off of my RV. People we bought the RV from had removed or replaced one of the front jacks previously with this unit. And this, I think, was original equipment here, and it's in pretty rough shape, as you can see how rusty it is. We'll just get these all up, and then we can do a bit closer look. There we go. And by and large, I guess, so this one here I can see that it's a smaller screw on it. These two look very similar. Slight different design, a bit of a curve here, and this is square. I'm going to grab my caliper, and we'll measure some of the metal thickness, and that'll give us a better idea of how they compare. I've got the old dial caliper here, set to 0, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to measure the arm thickness on these. I'll measure this one down here. Looks like it is about 0.135 versus this one here. 0.080, and this one's got a bit of a lip to it. It's going to be kind of tough to get a good flat surface. I don't know if I can get in there. I can maybe try. That's too curved. It isn't going to give me a good reading. Let's see here. Maybe up here. .050. I can't get in on that one. And this one here, that's interesting. This one rolls up in here. This one just ends flat. Metal's definitely thicker on the arms of the Princess Auto unit. The bottom piece, you can see down here, that is some pretty thin material right there. Yeah, we're talking, about 50 thou. This one, again, about 80 thou. The Princess Auto, that's an eighth of an inch, 0.130. Paint is taken up a bit. On the screw, we're talking about that's 6.60. 0.63. And that's 0.57. So the OEM is definitely a lot lighter in comparison to what the previous owner replaced with and the Princess Auto unit. And looking up at the top flange here, and that would be 0.130. .150. 0.125. As far as the rest of it's concerned, there is a bearing on this one. It's quite small compared to either of the other two. The Princess Auto version actually has a big washer behind the bearing. This unit does not, and this one has a smaller washer. The shaft size definitely, visually you can see they're different. This is about the same, and as the older one. By and large, I'd say this Princess Auto jack is equally as good as, if not the better of the three. Definitely better than the original equipment, that's for sure. Granted, that's a 30-inch jack, and these two are 24s, but, put a couple of 2x6s underneath, and you're back to square one.